Welcome back, adventurers and survival enthusiasts. Today's video is all about those incredible survival gadgets you didn't even know you needed. Until now. Whether you're an avid camper, hiker, prepper, or just someone who wants to be ready for whatever life throws your way, these 17 survival gadgets will blow your mind. We're talking about gear that can mean the difference between life and death in the wild, during natural disasters, or even in everyday emergencies. From cutting-edge tech to tried-and-true tools with a modern twist, these gadgets are designed to help you conquer the wilderness, handle emergencies, and even thrive in challenging situations. And you'll want to stick around until the end, because the final gadget is something so versatile and compact, you won't believe how much it packs into one tiny tool. Before we dive into the list, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We're always covering the most innovative and life-changing gadgets. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's jump into these 17 must-have survival gadgets that will completely change how you prepare for the unexpected. Let's kick things off with one of the most essential survival tools, the LifeStraw Go water filter bottle. You know that in a survival scenario, clean drinking water is your top priority. This bottle doesn't just carry water, it purifies it. The built-in filter removes 99.999% of bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics from any water source. So whether you're scooping water from a muddy stream, lake, or even a rain puddle, you can trust that what you're drinking is safe. Plus, with a filter lifespan of up to 1,000 gallons, this bottle will keep you hydrated and safe for a long, long time. Next up is the SurvivorCord XT by Titan Survival. If you think paracord is just for tying things down, think again. This is no ordinary rope. The SurvivorCord XT features not only strong paracord, but also has an integrated fishing line, a snare wire for catching small animals, and even a waxed tinder cord to start a fire in any conditions. Whether you need to secure your shelter, set a trap, or start a fire in the rain, this cord is your all-in-one survival line. For lighting up the night and powering your devices, we have the Goal Zero Torch 500. This powerful flashlight isn't just for finding your way in the dark. It comes equipped with a built-in solar panel for on-the-go charging and can double as a power bank for your phone or other devices. Whether you're stuck in a power outage, navigating through a forest, or just need a backup charger, the Torch 500 has you covered. With weatherproof construction and long-lasting battery life, it's a reliable companion in any emergency. Next, we have the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus, an innovative gadget that combines outdoor cooking with clean energy. It lets you cook your meals over a wood fire while also generating electricity to charge your gadgets. And the best part? You don't need any fuel other than sticks and twigs you find in nature. This eco-friendly stove makes it easy to cook, stay warm, and keep your devices charged, all while reducing your environmental footprint. Ideal for backpackers, campers, or survivalists, the CampStove 2 Plus is a true multitasker. If staying connected is crucial, then the Garmin inReach Mini 2 is the tool for you. This compact satellite communicator allows you to send and receive text messages from anywhere in the world, even when there's no cell service. But more importantly, it has an SOS feature that connects you to a 24/7 emergency response team, meaning help is always just a button press away. Whether you're deep in the mountains, miles from civilization, or simply lost, this device can literally save your life. The Tact Bivvy 2.0 Emergency Sleeping Bag is a small but powerful tool that should be in everyone's survival kit. This ultralight sleeping bag is made from heat-reflective material that retains up to 90% of your body heat, protecting you from cold and harsh weather conditions. It's waterproof, windproof, and packs down to the size of an apple, making it perfect for any emergency situation. In extreme conditions, this bivvy could be the difference between life and death, keeping you warm until help arrives. Need to start a fire in any weather? Look no further than the Zippo Emergency Fire Starter Kit. This compact kit includes a flint wheel and water-resistant wax tinder sticks, all packed into a waterproof case. Even in the wettest, coldest conditions, you'll be able to start a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling for help. And because it's made by Zippo, you know it's built to last. It's an absolute essential for any survival kit. Now, when it comes to cooking on the go, the MSR PocketRocket 2 stove is a must-have. This ultralight compact stove can boil a liter of water in just a few minutes, making it perfect for making quick meals or purifying water. Weighing only a few ounces, it's ideal for backpackers and survivalists who need to travel light. But don't let its small size fool you. This little stove is a powerhouse, making it easy to cook even in tough conditions. If you're the type who likes to be ready for anything, the Leatherman Signal Multitool is your best friend. This multi-tool includes everything you need for survival, from a fire-starting rod and whistle to a hammer and saw. Whether you're fixing gear, building a shelter, or starting a fire, the Signal Multi-Tool has every tool you need in one compact, rugged design. It's basically a survival kit in your pocket. Let's not forget shelter. The SOL Escape Bivvy is the perfect emergency sleeping bag for anyone braving the elements. Unlike typical emergency blankets, this bivvy allows moisture to escape while keeping heat in so you stay dry and warm. It's lightweight, packs down small, and is both waterproof and windproof, making it an excellent addition to your gear if you need an emergency shelter. Navigation can be a real lifesaver in survival situations, and the SUUNTO MC2G Global Compass is a navigation tool you can trust. This professional-grade compass is easy to use and works anywhere in the world. It features a sighting mirror for precise bearings and luminescent markings for night navigation. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, crossing a desert, or climbing a mountain, this compass will guide you home safely. The Kestrel 3500 pocket weather meter is an often overlooked but essential survival gadget. It provides real-time measurements for wind speed, temperature, humidity, and even barometric pressure. This information can be invaluable when you're planning to navigate rough weather or making decisions in an emergency situation. Lightweight and durable, it's a great tool for anyone who takes survival seriously. If you need a reliable, space-saving lantern, the Vont LED camping lantern is an excellent choice. It collapses down for easy storage, but once expanded, it provides a super bright light that lasts up to 90 hours on a single set of batteries. It's waterproof, durable, and easy to use, making it perfect for lighting up your campsite or providing emergency light during a blackout. Now, for those who need a serious tool, the Gerber Gator machete is a must-have. With a 15-inch fine-edge blade on one side and an 18-inch saw blade on the other, this machete is perfect for cutting through dense brush, chopping wood, or even self-defense. Its Gator grip handle ensures a firm hold even in wet conditions, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure or survival situation. The OLIGHT Warrior X Pro tactical flashlight is another essential for your survival kit. This ultra-bright flashlight delivers a staggering 2,250 lumens and is tough enough to survive harsh weather and rough conditions. With a magnetic charging system, it's easy to keep this flashlight powered up, and its compact design makes it easy to carry. Whether you're searching for something in the dark or signaling for help, this flashlight is a game changer. And finally, for a handy everyday survival tool, the RovyVon Aurora A3 Pro keychain flashlight is perfect. It's small enough to fit on your keychain but powerful enough to light up your path with its 650 lumen beam. Whether you need a quick light to find your way at night or a backup for emergencies, this gadget ensures you'll never be left in the dark. Last, but definitely not least, the Resqme car escape tool is one of those gadgets you hope you'll never need, but will be grateful to have in an emergency. This tool comes with a seatbelt cutter and a spring-loaded glass breaker, making it essential for getting out of a car in a life-threatening situation. It's small enough to fit on your keychain, but powerful enough to save your life in a pinch. And there you have it. From cutting-edge tools like the LifeStraw Go to life-saving essentials like the Resqme car escape tool, these 17 survival gadgets are designed to help you tackle the unexpected, no matter where you are. So, which gadget will you be adding to your survival kit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more incredible tech and gadget updates. Stay safe out there, and until next time, happy adventuring.